Good Sunday evening. And look, it's been raining. Hi, it's Dee from The Frustrated Gardener. And we have rain. It rained so hard. It kind of ran down our little washout areas, and I think we got like an inch and a half hour, and we weren't expecting it. But Lord, we'll take it because we're always so hot and dry. And it's actually so nice right now. So I have to come outside, and it's a little bit drizzly still, but I love walking in the rain. I love getting dripped, and things are just getting so nice and wet. Just makes me happy. We haven't had a good rain. I still have my painting area up. I've moved my nightstands in the house. I didn't want them to get all wet and damp, so they're inside. Listen, I hope you can hear the raindrops. Just enjoying it so much. We don't get rain that often, and when we do, I get like a kid. I just get so excited. Okay, let's listen again. And it's cool. It's good. It's a good Sunday. Went to church, went to Home Depot, and got rain. What more could we ask for? Everything's so good. Anyway, I just had to get up and walk around and just smell the fresh, clean air from the rain. If you don't know what this is actually a vitex tree. Some people down here call it a Texas lilac. But it is a wonderful evening. Still dripping rain, and I'll take it. So, that's really about all we did today. Didn't really work too hard. We do kind of take it easy on Sundays. I mean, if there's a job that needs to be done, we'll get it done, but all in all, we try to take it easy and just enjoy the day. So I pray that you all have had a wonderful day. Still don't have all of my fall decorations out yet, but that's okay. I'll get it soon. I'm never in too big of a hurry. So I pray all is well with you guys, and I'll try to visit with you tomorrow. Oh, one of my little fake pumpkins that I bought at Hobby Lobby, which is supposed to be right here with my little wet scarecrow, has gotten blown all the way down here. And as you can see, when we get closer, you'll see where the rain, we had some water over the driveway as it came out right here. So we had a really hard rain. So it washed out here and it came across the driveway. Glad my little pumpkin didn't get washed away. Oh, let me grab it. Beautiful sunset. That's to the west. Let's put this pumpkin back. Hopefully it'll stay. Okay. All right. Well, you all have a great evening, and we'll visit tomorrow. Bye. Have a great Monday. I will probably check in after work tomorrow. So, blessings to all. Good night.